If you want to connect the Nike Running Club with the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just pair your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone using the Samsung Wearable app. For that, on your Android phone, just open the Galaxy Wearable app, then tap on Connect. And after you pair your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone, then the next step is just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install the Samsung Health app on your phone. After that, just tap on Open. Now just set up the Samsung Health app using the same Samsung account which you used to sign into the Galaxy Wearable app. Because if you do not use the same Samsung account, you will face syncing issues with the Samsung Health app and your Galaxy Fit 3. Now after you've done that, then tap on the three dots over here and tap on Settings. Now under Settings, you will find the feature called Health Connect. Now just tap on it. And from here, just pair Health Connect with Samsung Health. As you can see, it is already paired. But if it is not paired, just follow the instructions on the screen to pair Samsung Health with Health Connect. After you do that, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now this time in the search bar, just search this. Then install the Nike Running Club app on your phone. Then tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Sign In and sign into the Nike Running Club using your email account. Now it might ask you to enter your email account. After you do that, then tap on Continue. Now it might also send an OTP code on your email account which you have entered to confirm your sign in. Now after you have completely signed in, then tap on Skip and select Allow. Now as you can see, it is asking you to pair Health Connect with the Nike Running Club. Tap on Sync and tap on Connect. And from here, just enable Allow All and select Allow. After you pair Health Connect with the Nike Running Club, you will successfully pair the Nike Running Club with the Galaxy Fit 3. Now if we go to the home screen and if we open the Samsung Health app, now let's tap on Health Connect. And from here, just tap on App Permissions. And as you can see, we have successfully paired Samsung Health and the Nike Running Club with Health Connect. And Health Connect will be the middleman to sync data across both apps. And by doing that, you will sync your Galaxy Fit 3 with the Nike Running Club. And this is how you can connect the Nike Running Club with the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.